Today, we've entered the era of Industry 4.0, where smart sensors, IoT devices, AI, and predictive analytics extend control beyond the factory floor. Modern systems don't just automate, they adapt, learn, and optimize. From levers and relays to intelligent networks of machines, the evolution of industrial controls reflect powerful truth. As challenges grow, so does our ability to engineer smarter, safer, and more resilient solutions. So our WISE is an intelligent web-based multi-function I/O module designed to serve as a control unit for remote logic control and monitoring in industrial automation systems. At its core, WISE integrates data acquisition, logic execution, and communication into a single compact platform. Its intuitive web-based HMI allows engineers to configure control logic through a simple rule-based interface, eliminating the need for traditional programming. With just point-and-click configuration, and users can define if-then-else control rules. With WISE, you don't need specialized software. Everything is managed directly through a standard web browser. You can easily create and edit logic rules, then download them straight to the controller. WISE uses a powerful if-then-else rule engine, which means it can automatically respond to conditions, whether that's setting I/O values, running scheduled tasks, or sending out notifications like emails. For integration, WISE communicates with SCADA system over Modbus TCP or RTU, allowing real-time monitoring and control of I/O channels and system status. And with the WISE-580X series, you can expand even further, connecting to XY boards or I-7000 remote I/O modules and Modbus slave devices for enhanced functionality. With WISE, data isn't just stored, it's captured intelligently right at the source. The built-in micro SD card continuously records I/O data in real time directly at the edge. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks even if the network goes down. The result is a complete, reliable history of your system's activity. And because it's all handled automatically, you don't have to waste resources on manual data collection. WISE goes beyond logging and makes data management simple. The controller can automatically send those data files to your control center at scheduled intervals using FTP or email. That means administrators, operators, and analysts always have access to the latest information without extra effort. This approach improves traceability, streamlines diagnostics, and provides valuable insights into long-term performance trends, helping you make smarter data-driven decisions. One of the best strengths of the WISE series is scalability. Each controller can support more than 300 I/O modules and sensors. That means you're not limited to just a handful of connections. You just build over a very large distributed system on a single platform. Why is this useful? In real-world applications, requirements often grow. A system that starts small, say monitoring a few sensors, might later expand to control entire production lines, integrate environmental monitoring, or manage energy usage across multiple sites. With WISE, you don't need to redesign or replace the controllers as you scale. You simply add more I/O modules and the system grows with your needs. This flexibility saves both time and money while ensuring your investment in automation is future-proof. One of the advantages of the WISE series is how easy it is to configure. Each controller comes with a built-in, user-friendly web interface that lets you edit control logic directly from any standard browser. There's no need to install additional software or deal with complex programming. With just a few clicks, you can create and deploy logic rules without writing a single line of code. This makes setup faster, more intuitive, and accessible even for users who don't have a programming background. The WISE controller is equipped with a built-in if-then-else rule engine, allowing users to define conditional logic for control applications. Once rules are created and downloaded to the device, the engine continuously evaluates them in sequence and executes the corresponding actions whenever the specified conditions are met. This provides deterministic, event-driven control without the need for traditional programming. WISE includes powerful time-based control features. The time function lets you introduce delays into your logic rules for precise sequence control. Beyond that, the schedule function supports both calendar-based and weekly recurring tasks. Using the intuitive calendar and repeat interfaces, the administrators can easily configure weekly routines or set up flexible annual schedules. This is especially valuable in environments like factories or schools where equipment must operate on strict schedules and downtime must be carefully managed. WISE doesn't wait to be pulled over Modbus TCP or RTU. It also supports active I/O sending, meaning it can push data directly using Modbus TCP master, SNMP trap, or MQTT publish. With this approach, WISE can immediately send I/O updates to SCADA, IT, or IoT systems whenever values change or at defined intervals. This event-driven communication reduces unnecessary polling traffic and improves the overall efficiency and responsiveness of your system. The WISE-7XXX series supports a powerful peer-to-peer P2P function, allowing modules to communicate directly with each other over the network. No central controller required. This means WISE-7XXX devices can freely exchange I/O values, counters, and internal registers. Even better, these P2P operations can be integrated into your logic rules as conditions or actions, making it easy to build distributed, responsive control system that reduce dependency on external polling. The WISE-523X and WISE-2X4XM series support the MQTT protocol, enabling seamless integration with IoT and cloud-based systems. These controllers can publish I/O data from connected modules directly to an MQTT broker, making real-time monitoring and data aggregation possible. In addition, they can be subscribed to MQTT topics from other devices, allowing incoming data to be logged or used as inputs in if-then-else logic rules for automated control and decision-making. As power and network systems become more critical to daily operations, whether in office, buildings, factories, or community infrastructure, the need for reliable facility monitoring is growing. Traditional manual oversight is costly and inefficient, which is why many organizations are tuning to unmanned facility room monitoring system. With ICP DAS USA's WISE controllers, you can capture real-time sensor data such as temperature, humidity, and equipment status. If an abnormal event occurs, WISE if-then-else logic engine can automatically trigger predefined responses. And because WISE supports Modbus TCP, RTU, SNMP, FTP, and MQTT protocols, your back-end management system can easily connect for centralized monitoring, data collection, and long-term analysis. The result? Lower operating costs, faster response to issues, and improved reliability of your power and network infrastructure. Ranch environments pose unique challenges like large areas, distributed equipment, and the need to monitor conditions that directly impact livestock and crop growth. Effective management requires both wide area sensor coverage and reliable remote control. With the WISE 5231M-4GE controller, operators can integrate with the ICP-USA's wireless I/O Zigbee modules to collect temperature, humidity, and rainfall data from across the ranch. When conditions such as excessive rainfall are detected, WISE can automatically trigger responses, for example, closing an electric retractable curtain to protect livestock and crops. In addition, WISE supports SMS notifications, ensuring that personnel receives instant alerts for abnormal events and can take timely action. By combining environmental monitoring, automated control, and real-time alerts, the WISE-5231M-4GE delivers a cost-effective and efficient management solution, reducing manual workload while improving responsiveness in large-scale branch operations. Hydrant systems are a critical part of a community and residential safety infrastructure, but many existing installations lack modern connectivity. By integrating internet-enabled control and monitoring, these systems can improve real-time status updates to cloud platforms, enabling managers to receive instant alerts on mobile devices and respond quickly to emergencies, significantly improving overall system reliability. The WISE-5231 controller supports Modbus communication, allowing it to interface directly with fire detectors for real-time monitoring and hydrant control. It can also integrate with smoke detectors to extend fire detection coverage. Together, these capabilities deliver a responsive, connected, and easily managed fire safety solution for communities and residential environments. The WISE-5231 controller combined with the ISN-101 sensor provides an effective solution for monitoring water pipelines and critical building infrastructure. This system can detect leakage or abnormal condition across tap water, fire suppression, and sewage lines, as well as domestic water drainage and electrical equipment. When an anomaly is detected, WISE-5231 immediately triggers an SMS alert to facility managers, enabling rapid response and corrective action. This approach not only helps prevent water loss, but also enhances building safety and operational reliability. The WISE series stands out as a powerful edge computing platform that combines local intelligence, flexible connectivity, and cloud readiness. By supporting a broad range of industrial and IoT protocols, Modbus, MQTT, SNMP, FTP, CGI, and integrating seamlessly with remote I/O SCADA system and leading cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and IBM Bluemix, WISE eliminates the silos that typically separate field devices from enterprise systems. This ensures that existing infrastructure can be modernized without disruption while providing a scalable path for future expansion. Whether the application involves agriculture, building automation, fire safety, water leakage detection, or broader industrial IoT deployments, WISE enables organizations to unify real-time field data collection, edge processing, and cloud integration in a single solution. In short, the WISE series delivers the seamless integration and scalability required to bridge today's operations with tomorrow's industrial IoT demands. Thank you for joining our webinar, taking a closer look at our WISE series of modules. I hope the examples we shared gave you a clear picture of how these solutions can be applied in real-world scenarios to establish a unified 4.0 base, centralizing your data to optimize efficiency for the future. We really appreciate you taking the time to be here with us. Here is all of our contact information and hours of operation. If you ever need help with finding a specific tailored solution for your application, our team can guide you through our solutions to find what best suits your needs. Thank you and have a productive day.